Baksan nila ni Bay.
Magpapatagpa sa kanya ng tatlong taong mga kaibigan. Sabi na natin,
The object here is there's two teams. They have to wrestle the cow to the ground, not just capture it. Each team has 4 players. I think they're 2 competing universities. No ropes, just hold on for dear life and try to tackle the cow, the bull.
Tatalian ang player.
Pero sa totoo lang, mahirap yan, mahirap. Super lakit kasi yung baka. Ang hilig pang ano.
Oh wow, that's impressive. They finally got it down. Oh, they got to hog tie it.